I'm also good, Veda. Good evening, Dhanlakshmi, Archana. We will wait for a few minutes, then we will start the class. Okay. Let everybody will join the class. After that, we will start our recipes. Okay, so let's start the class, guys. So anyone can tell me what we are making today? हम लोग आज क्या बना रहे हैं? What we are making today? I have informed in the group yesterday. Sorry, it's morning. In morning, I have informed in the group what we are making today. Yes, another one. Yes, right. So anyone is there who is making chocolate sponge and muffins? चॉकलेट स्पॉन्ज और मफिन्स आप लोगों में से कौन कौन बना रहे हो? Kavya is making muffins. Okay. Jaya is making both. And how many of you are participating in the giveaway? कौन-कौन participate कर रहे हो आप लोग giveaway में? Guys, next workshop you can join all free. Free में आप join कर सकते हो next workshop, as well as you will also get 10 plus recipes. So how many of you are going to participate in the giveaway? No one is participating. Kavya, Swapnika, Suhasini, Suza, Veena, Noshin, Dhanlakshmi is participating. Why, Suhasini? Why you are not participating? Actually, okay, so let me explain you. The giveaway is basically if you will, okay, you are busy with baby. So let me explain you. If you want to participate in the giveaway, you will get next workshop free. You do not need to pay any charges. You do not need to pay any charges. Also, you will get 10 plus recipes as well as next workshop free, right? For that, you need what you need to do. You need to just like, share, and comment my post and reels, whatever I am sharing on the Instagram, as well as you need to share it with your friends and families, those who want to register for my workshop. Okay. I will consider mostly those who will in who will participate in the workshop, right? So all of you get it. So you need to put it on the Instagram story as well as you can share on the WhatsApp as well, and you need to tag me. Okay. So Varsini is going to participate. Veena also. Jaya is Swapnika, Archana. So all of you, please participate in the giveaway. You can win the next workshop free, right? As well as you will get the 10 plus recipes. So the result will be announced on 18th of March. In the previous giveaway, 2 students won the prize. That is one is Gurleen and another one is I'm not remembering her name. Yamuna, yes, Yamuna and Gurleen. So all of you do participate. You can join my next workshop free. In that also there will be 10 plus recipes. You can get it in free if you will participate in the giveaway, right? So let's start making our first recipe, that is vanilla sponge. So first of all we will chocolate sponge we will make. So first of all we will take a bowl. So first of all, we will take fresh milk, that is 80 gram. So 80 gram of fresh milk we will add. 80 gram of fresh milk we will take. After that, we will add sugar. Okay. We need to take sugar, that is 75 gram. 75 gram of sugar we will add. After that, we will add refined oil, that is 45 gram. 45 gram of refined oil we will add. 45 gram of refined oil we will add. And now we will mix it well. अच्छी तरह से mix कर लेना है. Okay. The recipe is for 500 gram. In PDF, the recipe is for 500 gram. Now we will mix it well so that there will be no any oil lump. So is it clear till now? अभी तक clear है सबको? Okay, so first of all, we will take 80 gram of milk. Then we will add 75 gram of sugar, 45 gram of oil, and then we will mix it well so that there will be no any oil visibility on the top. So anyone have tried this today's recipe? कल वाली रेसिपी किसी ने ट्राई किया? Guys, be interactive in the class, otherwise you will feel bored. So now we will keep it aside. And now we will measure all the dry ingredients. So whenever we will use cocoa powder, we will always sieve your dry ingredients. It's not worrying. Okay. Okay, so now we will add 80 gram of refined flour. 80 gram of refined flour. After that, we will add cocoa powder, that is 10 gram. 10 gram of cocoa powder we will add. And now we will mix it well. So after adding cocoa powder, we will use baking powder, that is 2 gram. 2 ग्राम बेकिंग पाउडर लेना है. 1.5 ग्राम ऑफ बेकिंग सोडा. So we have taken all the ingredients, right? Now we will sieve it. अच्छे से हमें sieve कर लेना है. Is there any doubt? 80 gram, 80. It's 80 Veena. Now we will mix it well. अच्छी तरह से हमें mix कर लेना है. We will mix it with cut and fold method. So what is cut and fold method? You need to move your whisker in right angle and then you need to turn it. First you need to mix it like this, then you will turn it. Mix it once, then turn. Again straight, then turn. Straight, then turn. Okay, so this is the cut and fold method. Like this you need to mix it. Now we will take the mold. And we will grease and dust our mold. Okay, dust and grease करना है. If you have baking paper, you can use that one as well. So first of all, we will grease it like this with the help of refined oil. Refined oil से हमें grease कर लेना है. Now we will dust it with the help of refined flour. Refined flour से dusting कर लेनी है. So you need to dust it like this all over the mold. मोल्ड के चारों तरफ से डस्टिंग करनी है. Yes, if you will grease and dust it, no need to use the butter paper. Okay. अगर आप ग्रीस एंड डस्ट अच्छे तरह से कर रहे हो, देन बटर पेपर यूज करने का जरूरत नहीं है. एंड इफ यू आर यूजिंग बटर पेपर, देन देयर इज नो नीड टू use grease and dust method. Okay. Now we will pour our batter in the baking tray. Yes, I am here, guys. Is it okay now? Reply, everyone. Yes. Okay. So we will tap it so that there will be no any air bubbles. Now what you need to do is you need to bake it at 180 degree for 30 minutes on the lower rod. Okay. Lower rod पे आपको bake करना है 180 degree पे. If you are making on gas, you need to check it after 20 to 25 minutes. 20 minutes के बाद आप एक स्कीवर से check कर लेना whether it is baked or not. Okay. You need to keep the flame at medium to low. Okay. Okay. Yes, you need to preheat. Whenever you are making anything, you need to preheat your OTG for 10 minutes at 180 degree. Okay, ma'am, in cooker, how many minutes should be preheat? Cooker should preheat. You can preheat for 5 to 7 minutes, Swapnika. Swapnika. Okay. Yes. So, is there any doubt in chocolate sponge recipe? Chocolate sponge में किसी को doubt है? Everyone reply fast. Yes, Varsini, I can repeat. 30 minutes only. 30 minutes you need to bake it. Yes, cooker also should be preheated. And okay, let me explain about the chocolate sponge. What you need to do is oven timing 20. You are talking about microwave, then Lakshmi. Only two members. How much quantity have to take? You can use half recipe which I am making today. Oven timing 20 to 25 minutes. If you are making in microwave, check it after 20 minutes. Okay. Okay, let me repeat once. Varsini was asking, I think. Yeah. So first of all, you need to measure wet ingredient and dry ingredient separately. Okay. So first of all, you need to take milk, that is 80 gram. 80 gram of milk you will take. After that, you will add 45 gram of refined oil and 75 gram of sugar. Mix it well so that there will be no visibility of oil on the top. Second step is you need to measure all the dry ingredients. In dry ingredient, what are the dry ingredients? Basically, the dry ingredients are refined flour, baking soda, baking powder, vanilla essence. Okay, so you need to measure dry ingredients. So refined flour you need to measure. After that, you will take baking soda, baking powder, vanilla powder, cocoa powder. I have shown in the class itself. And now you need to mix it well. दोनों को dry ingredients and wet ingredient को mix करना है. Pour the batter in the mold. Bake it for 30 minutes, 25 to 30 minutes at 180 degrees on lower rod. Okay, vanilla sponge I didn't show you. Okay, let me show you the mold vanilla. So this is the vanilla sponge which we have prepared yesterday. So this is the sponge which we have prepared yesterday. This is 250 gram. You can use it for making bento cake. No, medium flame. You need to preheat your cooker at medium flame. So this is the vanilla sponge which we have prepared yesterday. Okay. Is there any more doubt? Is there any doubt, guys? Okay, so now we will start making chocolate muffins. We will start making chocolate muffins. So for making chocolate muffins, first of all, we will measure all the dry ingredients. ठीक है? सबसे पहले हम लोग dry ingredients measure कर लेंगे. So we will take 80 gram of fresh milk. 80 gram हमें fresh milk ले लेना है. Oh, sorry. I'm just saving the wet ingredients. So first of all, we will take dry ingredient, that is refined flour. So we will take 80 gram of refined flour. 80 gram of refined flour we will add. Those who are making muffins, please follow the recipe. ठीक है? And also you can follow me if you are making half recipe. After that, we will add cocoa powder, that is 10 gram. 10 gram of cocoa powder we will add. After that, we will add baking soda. 1.5 gram. 1.5 gram of baking soda we will add. One and half gram of baking soda. Then we will add vanilla powder. This is vanilla powder. If you don't have vanilla powder, you can use vanilla essence, but use in liquid medium only. Liquid medium में use कीजिएगा आप लोग. So we will add 1 gram of vanilla powder. 1 ग्राम हमें vanilla powder ऐड करना है. And now we will sieve it. Is there any doubt till now? Okay, so we will sieve it. 4 to 5 drops you can add with the 4 to 5 drops you can add. So always sieve your dry ingredients. Now we will take another bowl and we will measure all the wet ingredients. So in wet ingredients, we will take milk, that is 80 gram. 80 gram of fresh milk we will add. After that, we will add oil, that is 45 gram. Forty-five gram of oil we will add. Then we will add sugar, that is 75 gram. 75 gram of sugar we will take. 75 gram of sugar we will add. Now we will mix it well. We have taken all the ingredients, right? Check it once, guys. Seventy-five gram. 75. Yes. Now we will mix all the wet ingredients first so that there is no visibility of oil on the top. Wet ingredients को हम mix कर लेंगे अच्छे से. Yes, Kavya, you can use, but use in a small amount. Okay. 45 gram. 45 gram of oil we will add. Now we will mix all the dry ingredients. The speed should be first, you need to keep it for low. Okay, and after that you will beat it for high speed. If you are beating with the electric whisker, you need to whisk it at lower speed for 30 to 40 seconds. Now at last we will add choco chips. So this is the choco chips which I am adding. तो इसमें हम अच्छी तरह से भर भर के चोको चिप्स डाल देंगे. And again we will mix it. The batter of muffins is little bit thick, okay, as compared to sponge. Now we will take the baking tray. So this is baking tray. And this is cupcakes liner, okay. Fix it so that our batter will not move here and there. Now we will pour the batter in the mold. Now we will pour the batter in the mold, okay. So you need to fill only half. हाफ क्वांटिटी आपको फिल करनी है. No, I have not. You can skip it also. You can skip white vinegar. If you are using cupcake liner, then there is no need to grease it. अगर आप cupcake liner use कर रहे हो तो grease करने की जरूरत नहीं है. If you are directly pouring it on the baking tray, you can then grease and dust it. So if you are making this recipe which I have made in the class, you will be able to make 6 to 7 muffins. Okay, you can make 6 to 7 choco chips muffins if you will follow this recipe. And if you are following whole recipe which I have shared in the PDF, you will be able to make 12 to 13 muffins. Okay, 12 to 13 or 14, you can make it. No need to grease it. Now we will tap it. अच्छी तरह से टैप कर लेना है so that there will be air free lines. Okay. And now we will bake it at 180 degree for 30 minutes. 25 to 30 minutes you can bake on the lower rod only. Lower rod पे आपको bake करना है 25 to 30 minutes. Now is there any doubt you can ask me. कोई भी doubt है you can ask me. How much amount of jaggery you can take instead of powdered sugar? Okay. So in place of powdered sugar, like you can use 70 gram of jaggery. Okay, 70 gram you can use. Seventy gram of jaggery powder you can use. Any more doubt, guys? Temperature for oven. If you are taking in microwave, you can bake it at 150 degree. If 150 degree पे 20 minutes पे 15 to 20 minutes पे you can check. Okay. Yes. Okay. Very nice, Archana. Very nice question. So basically, anyone knows what is the difference between cupcakes and muffins? Anyone? Reply in the chat box, then I will answer. No? Okay, so let me explain you. Basically, the muffins is without frosting. Okay, muffins में हम लोग frosting नहीं करते हैं. We do not do frosting in muffins. We do frosting in cupcakes. This is the one major difference. Second one is the batter of cupcakes is thick and the batter of muffins is thin. Okay, that is the basic difference between cupcakes and muffins. Is it clear? Yes, Veda, please check it because in microwave the temperature is different with OTG, right? So you can check it after 20 minutes. If it is not baked, bake it for 2 to 3 more minutes. So that's it for today's class, guys. And those who are participating in the giveaway, please send me your name so that I can see whether you are working or not, or you will be the winner of the giveaway. Right? So please send me your name, those who are participating in the giveaway. And do participate, guys. You can join the next workshop free, and also you will get 10 different recipes. Varsini, you were not there in the class. कुकर में 10 to 15 minutes पे you can check, स्वप्निका. 10 to 15 minutes में you can check. Okay, so let me explain you about the giveaway again. So giveaway is basically whatever I will share on the Instagram, like post, reels or photos, anything, you need to like, share and comment as well, and also you need to put it on your Instagram story, and you need to share it with your friends and families, those who are interested in baking, right? And you need to put it on your story, and you need to tag me. And those who will participate in the giveaway, you can win the next workshop free, as well as you will also get the 10 different recipes PDF. Okay. Yes, Veda, tomorrow we will make, I think bento cake is included in this batch. Please tell me. Microwave timing 15 to 20 minutes. If you have convection microwave, then you can bake in that. Egg puffs. It was in the previous batch, Veena. If you want to join, I can send you the recorded lecture, so you can register for that one. Okay. Yes, Veda, I will teach you how to cut it, how to do the whipping cream. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow class, we will make the cake, bento cake. Okay. So that's it for today's class. I will show you both the recipes in the tomorrow class, and I will share the picture with you as well. Photos भी share कर दूंगी मैं. And do participate, guys. Please go on Instagram, do like, comment, as well as share your feedback about this class in the comment section. Okay. So bye everyone. If you have any doubt, you can message me on WhatsApp or you can call me. We will meet tomorrow at the same time. And I will share the recipe what we are baking tomorrow.